guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is my Inspo box unboxing. I actually thought I had paused this subscription or at least canceled it, and apparently I didn't because the box, I was charged and the box came. I definitely want to cancel this one. It's not that I don't like it, it's just like an extra subscription that I really don't need. You know what I mean? It's like a nice lifestyle subscription service because I do like it, but it's just like extra money wasted that I don't really need at this time. But yeah, so let's just go to the unboxing. All right, so this one was like a bi-monthly thing, if I remember correctly. And this is what it looked like. I definitely like it. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, I remember that this one wouldn't give us a card. Like we literally had to go online and like sign into our account. We had to go online and sign into our account to see what we were getting. Okay guys, I can't find the list of what's inside of this box, so we're just gonna go with it. I don't know the prices, I don't know anything. All right, first thing in here is from Kala, and this is matcha latte blending sponges. This is nice. It brings 6 of them, and it's nice to try other sponges. I wonder if they're as good as the e.l.f. or the Real Techniques. So this is what that looks like. And this is cute because then you could use the cup, I guess, because this is like a little straw or something. So like you could use the cup later. All right, then we've got some little packs of cafe style sweetened matcha latte powder. Next thing in here is from Pivotal, and these are facial cooling globes. What is this? This is what the box looks like. All right. Oh, this is weird. Look. So this is what it says. How to use. Our cooling globes can be used on their own with serums or while doing a facial sheet mask. Before each use, place the globes in the freezer for 20 minutes. Make sure to clean the globes before placing them on your face. Nice. So I guess it's kind of like another gimmicky thing, like that roller thing for your face. I have that, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably end up decluttering this because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use that. And then what is this? From Julep, this is a Night Shift Deep Sleep Facial Mask. All right. And then we also got a palette. This is the 70s palette Hippie Doll. This is what this palette looks like. Very pretty colors, very nice and bright. Definitely 70s like, I'm guessing even 80s like probably. All right, and then this thing here, I don't know what it is. Let's see. Relaxed Silhouette. What? It's a comfort knit wrap. So it's like a little scarf type thing. Yeah, it's like a scarf. All right, guys, that was it for my Inspo box. I'm pretty much not excited about too many things except the sponges. I like to try those. I like to explore with sponges. It's good. Other than that, it's okay. It's not a big deal. Not anything that I need to be spending money on at this moment. So I definitely will be pausing that subscription. I will be canceling it. But other than that, it's okay. All right, my loves, let me know what you thought of this video. If you've ever been subscribed to this box, let me know. I've gotten better boxes than these before. I used to like it a lot back in the days, like last year. I liked this subscription box a lot. It was really nice. But thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.